I'm Auri Katarina and I deep clean my followers' homes for free.
This house owner has depression, financial problems, and anxiety. He was so stressed about these things that he didn't have any strength to put effort to his home. He had a physically hard job and he slept all throughout the weekends. Luckily, he paid all his debt, but now the only thing he really needed was a clean home. So here I am.
I start collecting all the trashes. Woo! You always ask me, do I separate the trashes? Sometimes yes, but sometimes they are so dirty that I can't. It depends. Most times, yes. Pretty. Okay, we have to wait 5 minutes and then we scrub it again. Woohoo! I'm using garlic.
I had a poll on my Instagram where I asked my followers which one should I use. And this guy won. There's still some rust in the sink, so now I'm using low pH scale solution and scraper and Steel Daddy.
Now I'm washing the dishes like this. Voila! Like that! Now I'm going to show you how I'm deep cleaning this sink.
First, collect all the extra stuff, food, etc. If you want to deep clean your extra dirty sink, I prefer to use oven cleaner. Scrub, scrub, scrub. For the final touch, I use Power Paste. It makes souls and sinks shine like new. Look at this! Malty coffee. Mmm!
Now, let's wait 5 minutes so the food will be softer, so it's easier to remove. Let's wait! I'm using dish brush for the corners. I love this color.
If you have burn stains on your induction stove, this is a mini tutorial for you. First, add a little bit of dish soap, and then I'm using Scrub Mommy. Then just scrape it off. Now you can see that the other cooker is still dirty. You have to press the scraper really hard. You can also use the scraper dry if you use it right. Like that, fun and easy. Again, Power Paste for the stainless steel parts. Ooh.